Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video has very little to do about CorelDraw. It's more about education. Every year for about the last 15 years, I've gone to Las Vegas in February to the Words and Personalization Association Expo. This year it's February 6th to the 9th of 2024 at the Paris in Las Vegas. Really nice hotel. And become a member. You've got to become a member to attend the show. The membership is $279. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of my deal, and you can go through here a little bit more. Become a member. Now, the benefits of becoming a member, you get on the trade show room floor for free. Probably 95% of the classes are free to members. There's a few paid classes that are called hands-on classes. There's other things that I don't even use, that member forms and emails daily with questions and answers. But with the membership, you get a discount on a hotel. This year, well, in the last couple of years, the old Bally's is now the Horseshoe, and you can either stay at the Hilton or the Bally's for $69 a night if you're a member. I mean, that's really reasonable. Now let's go to trade show and education. All these are classes. This one is about light Berman Corel for purpose of making jigs. I do not know this person. I'm anxious to go to his class and meet him. I'm just going to go through here. You can go through in a little bit slower pace. Randy Allen, a friend of mine that's actually my salesman for my Epilogue laser, is going to do a CorelDraw review, photographs, and productivity. He's going to do photographs. There's another photograph coming up here, magic of customer service, roundtable discussions, heat press, UV printing, panel discussion, laser hacks. And then we're going to get to, I think I passed his. Let's see, I forgot what day it was. Excuse me, I'm trying to scroll through here. Okay, there's my class, which was on Thursday at 7:30 to 9, but it's for beginners to advanced. I'm going to go over some beginner stuff, some people that are brand new. People have asked me over the years, do I teach classes? Well, here's one you can go to. I'm going to do from beginner to advanced users. I'm trying to find a couple other classes that I know are on here. Here we go. Laser engraving photographs. This is Jason and his wife, Deanna Ram, that live near me and are personal friends that I met in Las Vegas at the trade show. And ever since, for the last 6 years, we've been friends. He's taught a couple of classes. He's kind of the man to go to on doing photographs. And he does it all inside Corel. I do a little bit of photographs, but I use another product. Then, there's other classes. Then if we go to trade show and schedule on Thursday morning from, I think it's Thursday. No, it's Wednesday. Wednesday at 7:30 to 10:30, a 3-hour hands-on class. I'm going to have a ton of samples of stuff I've done, how to do anything on wood. I've been doing woodworking since junior high. I just turned 70 years old. I love doing in wood. I've got some techniques that I think I basically came up with, and then I've added stuff to the wood like epoxy and inlace and mother of pearl, and I'm going to have samples of those. And the show, when I first started going 15 years ago, and I have really no business going, I'm not really in business. I'd run a little hobby laser, and I just go to learn. And at first I was taking Corel classes. Then I started watching YouTube, and then I started making my own YouTube videos. So think about going to this in this February 6th frame, 2024. The hotel's great, the food, You know, if you've never been to Las Vegas, it's a treat. If you've been, it's a double treat to go to this show. Anyway, and if you see me there, stop me and tell me hello, because this is me right there. This is my channel, and here's my videos. Anyway, I hope that was a little bit of enjoyment, and thank you for watching.